for sale. Just thought I'd do a quick video of the car and a little bit of a walk around. I'm not going to try to list all of the mods that it has because frankly I'll probably forget some of them. But as you can see looking at the car, it does have rough racing 20-inch wheels on it. Tires are like new, probably only have a couple thousand miles on them. Does have a Super Snake hood on it, along with a Celine front bumper. It does have, it's actually a really dark blue, actually it's a Kona Ford blue racing stripe on it. That was painted, it's very well done. The rocker is a decal that is not paint, but just a vinyl sticker that was put on it. It does have tinted windows. Obviously it has a couple of scoops on it. It does have keyless entry. Black leather. It does have the premium package. It is an automatic car. It does have a TCI 3000 stall converter in it, which is a lot more fun to drive. I have 3 tunes with it. I have Bomba tunes. The current one that is in it right now is my race tune, and it does have check engine light and turns off traction control. But the other tunes do not have those on them. They're very street friendly. Does have carbon fiber dash piece on it here. It does have the Shaker 500 stereo in it. Everything works. Does have long tube headers, spintech exhaust, and then as you can probably tell, it does have the Ford Racing hot rod cams in it. And I'll go to the back here just to